It's DJ Ron the Mechanic. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's grab some tools. It's install time. Let's go.
Yo, what's up everybody? It's your main man here, DJ Ron the Mechanic here, back again with another video. What's going on, everybody? Yeah, buddy, y'all see it. Look, you see I got them doors open. You know what that means? There's some installation time about to go down. Yes, sir. I'm pretty sure y'all seen the title. That's right, y'all. We about to swap out these Midbass that I have right here, 6.5. Ain't nothing wrong with them. I've been having these for a while now, so PRV came out with a set of newer ones, which I think is pretty much better, more power handling, and especially on the terminals too, y'all. Look, I just gotta show y'all, man. But yeah, I'm excited about changing these bad boys out. Like I said, ain't nothing wrong with them at all. They definitely put out, for sure. So yeah, I'm going to be changing all 4 of them out. And I'm about to show you. Know y'all hear that fan running, man. Look, I got to, man. It's hot out here, boy. Yes, sir. Just put it on low. Got to keep that fan going. For real, for real. So yeah, man. So here we go. This what came in right here from PRV. Yes, sir. That's what we getting right there. The 6.5 Midbass. And you see I got 4 of them. And that's the model number right there, 6MB400-4. So yeah, man, these are the newer ones that they recently came out with. So yeah, I'm super excited about these here, man. Yep. Look, matter of fact, let me pause for a minute and I'm about to put y'all on the tripod so I can get everything on the table. All right, y'all, I'm back. So yeah, let me go ahead and get this situated right here. All right. Well, I tell you one thing, this box is heavy though, bro. Sheesh. Oh, man. Dump this out. Yeah, buddy. All right, I need my blade. Now I need my blade. Go ahead and crack this open right quick. See what they're looking like, man. Yes, sir. How about I got them upside down? That's all right. That's all right, though. Yeah. Going ahead and taking all 4 of them out. There we go. Yes, sir. Let's bring y'all over a little bit. Y'all can go ahead and check it out. All right. So here we go, y'all. So this is what I'm working with. And you see these hold more watts too. Yes, sir. And boy, these suckers got a little weight to them, man. They are heavy. Look, on the box, look. They have recommended amplifiers. Y'all see that? So it's telling you, boy, look. They're ready to match you up with something. So let's go ahead and take it out the box. Like I said, these are 4 ohms. Okay, you see. Of course, I get my PRV stickers. What is this right here? Just a little note in there telling you welcome to the PRV audio family. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Oh man. Let me zoom out so y'all can see some. All right, let's take this bad boy out. Yes, sir. So here we go. Kind of stiff there a little bit on the pump. Man, look at the back end of this bad boy. Look at that. Woo! Man, that bad boy look like a little mini subwoofer. And look, we got push terminals on these right here. Yes, sir. We got some push terminals, y'all. And look at the back end. Got a little bump plate back there. And then, look, as you can see, 400 watts, 4 ohm. Yes, sir. Boy, this little rascal got some weight on it. Yep, so that's what I'm going with. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and take one out the door, so just to do a comparison for y'all, so y'all can see exactly. So y'all can see exactly what the difference is between both of them. Yep. Oh, I tell you one thing, like I said, that little 6.5 got some weight to it there, boy. Yes, indeed. Go ahead and crank these tubes out right fast. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and take one out the door right quick, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So now look, let's do a comparison here. So, of course, right here on the right, this right here is the newer one, and this right here is the one that I took out my door right here. Bring y'all a little bit closer. So right off the top, you can kind of like tell the big difference too. Look at the edges. You see the surround on this one here? See this one here? Like it has more, you know, thicker surround here, just a tad bit wider, a little bit, compared to this one here on the left-hand side. You see, it's a little bit smaller, pretty much compared to this one over here. And of course, on this one now, you don't see the tensor leads showing on this cone over here, but over here you do. Now the biggest difference, let's take a look at the back though. All right. So now you really see the difference. This one right here, you see what model this is? This is the 6MB200-4v2. And this one right here is the 6MB400 right here. As you can see, this one here got venting on it, but you know, there's no bump plate on this one compared to this one here, which does have a bump plate. And also the biggest difference too is the connections. Over here you have push terminals. Over here you have those like spade terminals, you know, the ones that everybody dread that they're, you know, that they might come off and all that. There with some people I see solder wire together on them just to hold them. So yeah, that is your difference between the two, y'all. Back plate, the terminals, and of course power handling on there. Yep. And you look at them from the side. Yes, sir. So there we go. And like I said, ain't nothing wrong with these. I'm just, how you say it, I'm just gonna retire them, man. To just put them up, you know. And also the difference too is not only just the power, but the sensitivity on these. I think they're a dB louder on the sensitivity than those right there. So hey, ain't bad though. Ain't bad, you know. I mean, don't get me wrong now. The set that I took out, these right here, hey, they still handle their business now. I ain't gonna put it down now. It still handles its business. But, hey, look, I'm ready to upgrade, y'all. So now, the only thing I would say is about the wire connection on here. Man, that looking like about, shoot, what is that? What, about 16 gauge look like? Maybe? 16, 18 gauge. I think what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna get one of my, let me see. I'm gonna use a wire ferrule on there for the connection, just to see which one I can use. So let's see, y'all, what we got here. Let's see. Let's try this blue one. Let's see what that fit. Okay, boom. That'll fit right there. Cool, cool. So now I got something to work with here. All right. What size is this? Don't really say on this kit, but yeah, I'm going with these right here. So that's how I'm going to connect mine. And as you can see, I got them spade terminals on there. So I'm gonna cut them off and put the crimping on it. Yes, sir. So that's what we going to do, y'all. Yep. Let me get my cutters. So I can take those off. All right, let me move y'all back just a little bit. Lower y'all down some. There we go. Try and get this camera straight. There we go. Now, let's go ahead and get this done here. So pretty much my installation is pretty much easy the way I have mine set up. So real easy. All right. Let's go and get this going. Okay, now that I thought I brought my blues with me. And I'm pretty sure, I know these grills, they normally universal fit on all their 6.5s. Oh yeah, There we go. Yeah, buddy, y'all see that? Yeah, that grill look good on there. Yes, indeed. So now, like I said, let's go ahead and get this cut. Shred back some of this. Let's see what's coming about right there. Cut that off. No more spade terminals. Yeah. Cut some of that back. There we go. Come on off, man. There we go. Got that one. Let's get this other one. Now I got that cover on there just to identify what's positive and what's negative on here. Wide strippers, best ones on the market, y'all. I'm telling you, it's time for me another pair though, cause I done dropped these a few times, man. I think I might have broke the spring on one of them. So yeah, we shall see. Ooh, yep. Yeah, I think that spring messed up on it. There we go. Yeah, buddy. In business. Of course, as y'all see, I do my own work, so only time my car ever been to a shop was for to get my remote start system put on. That's it. Other than that, I take care of all my own install work, y'all. Yep. Go ahead and slap this on right quick. Go ahead and put this other one on right fast. Man, I'm telling you, if y'all don't have the a wild Pharaoh kit, man, what you waiting on, man? Go ahead and get you one, boy. It makes your crimping a whole lot easier. Then plus you ain't got to worry about no wires coming out the terminals and all that other stuff. You got something that gonna give you a good secure fit. You know what I mean? And boom, there we go. Pull up my little black and red pieces on there. That's a wrap. Boy, this little sucker got some weight. It is not playing. There we go. Oh yeah. There we are. Yes, sir. Bend these back a little bit. Boom. Sucker go right in there too. Yes indeed. Oh yeah. Nice fit, nice fit. No, I need to get my card moved. I gotta sit down. Yes. Yeah. Yes, sir. I gotta sit down on this one, y'all. Just to get this started. Heck yeah, you line back up. Let's go. Make sure that they're on there. I ain't hit them too hard with the drill. Just enough to get started. Yes, sir. Boom, that's it, y'all. That one is on there. Ah, my bad. Look at that. Right in place, no problem. Yep. So now on to the other three that I gotta do. So once I finish mounting the other three, y'all, I'm gonna cut the camera back on and we're gonna do a sound test, all right? I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. All the work is finished. The new 6.5s are in. Got everything wired up. As you see, going from door to door. All right. So now, you know it's sound test time, y'all. Let's go ahead and crank it up. All right. And of course, you know I have that, YouTube approved music that I have. All right. Let's go ahead and crank it up, y'all. Let's see what we're sounding like. Look, turn the subwoofers off so I won't be, how should I say it, disturbing anybody. Put it like that. Yeah, you gonna get that beeping because the door's open. It's all good, though. Let's crank it up. All right. There we go. We got a little sound test on. Let me hear. I want to hear that jazz track right quick. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Hey, man, y'all comment below, man. Tell me what y'all think, man. Now, I will say this, though. Now, since I changed models, though, I most likely will have to change the crossover point for these right here. Because I think the point is, I think maybe 100 hertz difference on this one. But I'm going to have to double check, though, just to make sure, though. Just to, you know, make sure everything lined up. But, hey, everything sounded pretty good, though. Yes, sir. Sounded pretty good. Yep. So, that's it, man. I'm satisfied with it, man. I mean, I love my PRVs, man. Y'all hear how everything sounded, man. So, all together, I have... four of the super tweeters, one on each door. Cost 6.5 that I added. Then back here, I got 2 horns and 2 6x9 mids back here. And oh yeah, I forgot to pop the trunk for y'all. And of course, back here, got 2 more super tweeters and 2 more horns. Yes, sir. And that's my subs. Yep. So there we go, y'all. Everything is all good. So, yep, I just want to take a little time out today and share my little install with y'all there. Putting in my new 6.5s. That's right, man. Look. If y'all want a set of those, man, look, make sure you go to PRV Audio website, man. Go ahead and get you some. Yes, sir. Them PRVs, man. Hey, look, the name speaks for itself. That's it. So, all right, y'all. Once again, it's DJ Run the Mechanic here. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that way you won't miss out on a video when I drop it. All right. Ooh, man, it done got dark out here already. Ooh, heard some thundering. All right, y'all. Look, that's it. Hey, I'm out. And I will catch y'all on the next one.